A lot of people have been asking me how to turn on God mode in Windows. It's simple. All you have to do is right click on your desktop and then you click on new. Okay, then you click on new folder. So after clicking on new folder, you have to paste this code. Paste this code. Okay, there's a code on the screen. Paste it. You paste that as the name and then click on enter. When you paste it and then you click on enter, the folder is going to open and then yeah, when you paste it, now you have to open the folder. Okay, that's the folder in the blue icon. When you open it, you're going to see a whole lot of settings in one folder. So that's what we call God mode. It's you being able to access all the tweaks and all the settings on your computer in just one folder, and then it enhances productivity, and then it makes your life easier as a PC user. This is Dark Army on YouTube, and then bring your PC on TikTok. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow, share. Tell me the video wants me to do for you. Got you.